Hello friends, this is Chandrakant Ghosh. Today I'll tell you about Pareto chart. I'll also give an example so that you can understand how to create Pareto chart, and I will also tell you how to identify root cause with the help of Pareto chart. So let's start Pareto chart. There are many tools to identify root cause of a problem. But if you are analyzing data about potential root cause problems in process or the frequency of problems, or if you are dealing with many different problems and causes but you want to focus on the most significant ones, then there is a tool which you can use which is known as Pareto chart. Pareto chart is for prioritizing and focusing efforts on the most significant root causes. Pareto chart is used to determine which of existing problems occur more frequently. Pareto chart represents frequencies of occurrences of different categories of defects or problems being encountered. It is also known as 80-20 rule. That means 80% problems occur because of 20% causes. The Pareto chart combines a bar graph and a line graph to display data in descending order of frequency, which help us to prioritize effort for maximum impact. Now we'll see how to create Pareto chart. To create Pareto chart, we have to define the problem first. So you have to define clearly the problem area that you want to analyze. So let's say the problem is delay in printing newspaper. So once you have defined your problem, after that you have to gather data around your problem. That means the errors or the causes which are impacting the problem. You need to collect those data. That means how frequently that causes or errors are occurring. So that data you need to collect. So that causes or error could be like newsprint jumbling, electrical panel, faulty spare, operator competency, process not followed and change of rollers, etc. And you need to ensure that the data covers a significant number of causes and provides a comprehensive overview of the issue. And then the fourth step would be to quantify the occurrences. That means you have to collect the data of frequencies of errors or frequencies of causes which are actually responsible for the particular problem. For example, how many times delay happened because of newsprint jamming, how many times delay happened because of electrical panel, how many times delay happened because of faulty spares, like that. Here I have written 32 times delay happened because of newsprint jamming, 8 I have mentioned against the electrical panel, 19 I have mentioned against operator's competency, 27 I have mentioned against faulty spares, like that. So these are the frequencies against these causes. So once you have identified the frequencies, after that you have to rank those frequencies. Like we have identified frequencies 32, 8, 27, 19, 5, and now we have to arrange it in descending order like 32, 27, 19, 8, like that. And once you have ranked those frequencies, after that you have to calculate cumulative percentage of frequencies. For that you have to calculate percentage of frequencies first, and after that you can easily calculate cumulative percentage of frequencies. After that you can create the Pareto chart. Here is the Pareto chart. which I have created by using this data. In this Pareto chart, you can see that in x-axis all the causes are there, in y-axis all the frequencies of each causes are there, and in the secondary y-axis you can see that the cumulative percentage is there. And you can also see that 78% of the problem is because of these three main causes. The three main causes are newsprint jumbling, faulty spare, operators competency. Now if you want to further investigate or identify the root causes of the problem, then you have to further analyze this chart so that you can identify the root causes of the problem and can come up with the action plan. So when you further investigate this chart, especially these three main causes, then you will find that there are sub causes behind each causes which are actually impacting the main causes. These sub causes are water supply not checked, no maintenance schedule, spare parts not available, power backup not adequate, operator not available, and there are few more sub causes which I have not mentioned here, and their frequencies are there in this column. And when you further create Pareto chart for this data, then you will see that the 78.5% of the errors which are actually coming from these three sub causes, which are water supply not checked, no maintenance schedule, spare parts not available. Therefore, we can say that newsprint jumbling, faulty spare, and operator's competency are contributing to 78% of the error type. And 78.5% of these three errors are because of the error causes: water supply not checked, no maintenance schedule, spare parts not available. That means if we can reduce these three sub causes, which are water supply not checked, no maintenance schedule, spare parts not available, then we can improve the process and reduce the time of delay in printing newspapers. Now let's see the solution. Solution is to create an annual training program for operators, create a periodic maintenance schedule of machines including water supply, identify vendor for spare parts apart from the existing one, create a health card of such spare parts. So we have seen how to create Pareto chart, and we have also seen how to identify root causes of a problem with the help of Pareto chart. So this was all about Pareto chart. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then don't forget to subscribe it by click on the bell icon. Please share this video to your friends and colleagues to improve and refresh their knowledge. We'll see you in my next video with another topic. Have a good day.